Hello everyone, welcome to Just Learn Korean. You are at a fast food restaurant and you want to order a cheeseburger and a Coke. How would you say? 치즈버거 골라주세요. What is missing? Here are the options. 그리고, 하고, 이랑, 랑, 와, 과. Which one would you add? They all mean the same, 안. But not all of them are correct to use in this sentence. Then, what's the difference? In this video, we are going to look at how they are used and the things that you need to be careful with. Now, let's begin. This is the biggest difference. 그리고 can be used to connect nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, phrases, and sentences. Literally anything. On the other hand, 하고, 이랑, 랑, 와, 과 can be used to connect only nouns. So grammatically, all the options are correct, but they are used in different contexts. 그리고 can be used in both formal and informal settings. But be careful, when 그리고 is used with nouns in an informal conversation, like ordering food, 그리고 is more like you are saying something and at the same time you're thinking because you haven't made up your mind yet. So for example, you are at the till to order, but you haven't decided what to order yet. Then you can say 치즈버거 그리고 콜라 주세요. Another thing to remember is in an informal writing and speaking, 그리고 is normally pronounced as 그리고 or 글구. 치즈버거 그리고 콜라 주세요. 하고, 이랑, 랑 are the same. Both are commonly used in informal context. But don't worry, they are polite enough to use in any types of everyday conversations. 치즈버거하고 콜라 주세요. 치즈버거랑 콜라 주세요. 와, 과 are very formal. That's why they are common in news and presentations. So it would be too formal to use in a restaurant. 치즈버거와 콜라 주세요. It sounds so weird. You can also use them when you list a lot of things, but they are used slightly differently. 하고 and 이랑 랑 can be repeated as many as you like in one sentence. For example, 메리하고 피터하고 제인하고 다 내 친구야. 메리랑 피터랑 제인이랑 다 내 친구야. But 그리고 and 와, 과 should be used only once in one sentence. 메리, 피터, 그리고 제인 다 내 친구야. And as I explained, 와, 과 are formal. So the entire sentence should be formal as well. 메리, 피터와 제인 다 제 친구입니다. So in a restaurant, if you want to order more than 2 items, you can say 치즈버거, 프렌치 프라이, 그리고 콜라 주세요. 치즈버거하고 프렌치 프라이하고 콜라 주세요. 치즈버거랑 프렌치 프라이랑 콜라 주세요. As I mentioned earlier, 그리고 can be used to connect nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, phrases, and sentences, etc. But here is a thing. Korean people love making long sentences. So you should combine separate sentences into one which end with a verb or an adjective by changing 그리고 to 고. For example, 우리 오늘 영화 보자. 그리고 쇼핑도 하자. 오늘 날씨 좋아. 그리고 공기도 맑아. Combine them into one with 고. How can you change? Think about the base forms. 보다, 좋다. Get rid of 다 and add 고. 우리 오늘 영화 보고 쇼핑도 하자. 오늘 날씨 좋고 공기도 맑아. Here is another important thing to remember. When you talk about something happened in the past, we use past tense for each verb and adjective in English. But in Korean, it's very common to use the past tense only once when you combine two sentences. So keep only the last one in the past tense and the rest is the same. 보다, 좋다. 보고, 좋고. 우리 오늘 영화 보고 쇼핑도 했어. 어제 날씨 좋고 공기도 맑았어. Finally, the last difference. 하고, 이랑, 랑, 와, 과 have more functions, but 그리고 doesn't. There are certain verbs and adjectives that always need 하고, 이랑, 랑, 와, 과. For example, when you compare things, such as same, different, similar, and resemble, you need 하고, 이랑, 랑, 오, 와, 과. 그거, 이거하고 같아. 그거, 이거랑 같아. 그것은 이것과 같습니다. Another function is when you do something together with someone. It is just like with. 내일 피터하고 공부해. 내일 피터랑 공부해. 내일 피터와 공부합니다. 고맙습니다. 그리고 사랑합니다. 어제 눈 오고 추웠어요. 맥주하고 소주 좋아해요. 중국어랑 일본어 배웠어요. 몸과 마음이 건강해야 합니다. That's all for this lesson. I hope this video has answered all of your questions about 그리고, 하고, 이랑, 랑, 와, 과. If you want to learn more about Korean, why not try out other lessons in my channel? And of course, if you have any questions or feedback, leave them on the comment section below. See you again soon. Bye for now.